Hello everyone, in this video we will see how a CA or the auditor can log into the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth application and upload their audit report. To begin with, for the login purpose, the CA has to log in with the credentials which he has got in the SMS after the CA registration by the admin. In that SMS, CA gets the membership number as well as password. With the help of these, we need to log into the system. So let's log into the system with the credentials. Upon logging to the system, we see the dashboard in which there is details of the CA like the Prant name, like which Prant the CA is working in, then Jilla name. If the CA is working on Jilla level, then we see the Jilla name as well. So if a CA is working on one Jilla, then we will be having one record over here. But if CA is working on more than one Jillas, then we will be getting all the Jilla names, the records for all the Jillas respectively. So as we can see here as well that this CA is working on 3 Jillas under one Prant. So we are having 3 rows for the 3 Jillas. After that, we can see that there is upload status which is showing uploaded as well as pending. So if this auditor has not uploaded any audit report till now, then the status shows as pending. And if the audit report has been uploaded, then the status shows as uploaded. So to upload any audit report, CA has to click on upload now in the action. Herein, auditor has to enter its UIDN number and upload the audit report in PDF format. After this, we need to click on upload report. Now we can see as soon as we click on upload report, we get the UDIN number as well as the file name, the PDF file which we have uploaded. We see the name of that file and also the status has changed to uploaded. Now this information goes to the admin as well. So the admin of the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth application, he has the right to approve this audit report as well as reject the audit report accordingly. So if he approves the report, then it's okay, then there is no need to do anything. But if the admin rejects the audit report, then we will be again having the action as upload now and the status as pending. So in this scenario, the auditor can once again upload their updated audit report, the correct audit report, so we can actually rectify the issues if there are any. So in this way, the auditors can log in to the application as well as upload their audit report. Thank you.